You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from Latin, meaning truth conquers all things, or truth conquers. There are different pronunciations indeed, because it's from Latin, so you have the Latin pronunciation and then some interpretations in English. In Latin, classical Latin, Vincit Omnia Veritas. Vincit Omnia Veritas. And then you have the more common pronunciations in English, and they are twofold. Vincit Omnia Veritas, Vincit Omnia Veritas, or Vincit Omnia Veritas. Both pronunciations are used and somewhat correct. The k sound to Vincit sounds a little more like classical Latin, but classical Latin has a U instead of a V, so it will be Vincit Omnia Veritas. So it's up to you. But if you go with Vincit Omnia Veritas, you're pretty safe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.